So I had to go out and brave the rain today to get a package. And I missed the postman. I was sitting there waiting inside and I missed him. They were very quietly put it outside for us. So what have we got today? This is from my favourite guys at PC Case Gear. Who I think this is, yeah, this will be my first package of the year. I haven't been getting much stuff because I haven't got much money to spend at the moment. Ooh, what do we got? We got some bags. Wow. That upset the dog. Upset the dog, and we have a 1 terabyte hard drive for one computer and some RAM for another computer. So I say we got a RAM upgrade coming up and a hard drive coming up. Gonna have a look at this hard drive. Maybe we're gonna have a look at this hard drive. I remember back in the days, I never had a full height drive, I only ever had half height 5-inch drives. Was probably the biggest drive I had, I suppose. And they were in a lot of those early ones were in the megabyte range. Although I think the first hard drive I had was 20 megabytes, which was never big enough, even for DOS. Then I had 100 megabytes after that, which was fine for DOS until Windows and GEM and things like that came along. Then I had a 1 gigabyte. That was quite a nice drive. Except the 1 gigabyte was too big for the BIOS I was using at the time. And for Linux I had to get like a 1.3 kernel or something. But now we got these. Look at that, 1 terabyte. That's amazing, isn't it? Oh well. So that's some fun things to do coming up, and we'll get on to that very shortly. And I got these because they were cheap. DDR4 3600. That's a 16 gigabyte kit. That's for my Linux box, which has slower memory in because it was originally a 1600 Ryzen 5 1600. It's now Ryzen 5 3600. And it's got four times 4 gig sticks, and I think they're only about 2400. So this will be a slight upgrade, and we'll do something else with those other sticks. Probably end up using them in my upcoming Minecraft update if I do it. Otherwise I'll find a home for them somewhere. So, fun times coming. Subscribing and liking means more fluff.